Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, baby, mention me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, baby, mention me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome.
So 44 gang, we are about to go try to find a spot. Ooh, I ain't have my lights on, tripping. We about to go try to find a spot to do some videos on this Redeye. Like I say, he's down here from, he came all the way down from Abilene for this meet. I don't know if he came for this meet, but he came down here from Abilene. But so we trying to go get some footage before it rains. And I know it's dark. Hopefully there's some light around there, some type of light, where we can get some good footage on this Redeye. But he want to do make some good, you know what I'm saying, like donuts and make some good exciting videos. Y'all know how we do. He on the same type of time we on. So we're finna go to this open parking lot we know. We're finna go try to make these videos. So I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as we get there. So 44 gang, man, we are here at Summit Racing, as y'all see. We just met this guy right here, cool dude, man. He finna let us drive this Redeye, man. Like, hey, I'm excited. I'm extra excited, bro. I ain't never drove a Redeye. You know what I mean? So he finna let us drive this Redeye, bro. Let Real drive this thing, man. See this Redeye. Cool dude, man. You don't know too many people that just meet us and let us drive a $100,000 car.
My YouTube is all caps Redeye 33 space capital P for production. My Instagram is Redeye 33 production lowercase.
Y'all make sure y'all go hit him up, man. Y'all got to, man. Come on, man. Happy that we just met this dude, man. He letting us, you know what I'm saying, drive these cars. It's crazy. That thing crazy. But yeah, see, somebody, he was telling us somebody thought he had a regular little Hellcat, you know what I mean? So he had to go and let you know it ain't regular, man. Just that alone right there lets you know there's some extra 100 horses in there. Just like me. Big nostrils. Big nostrils. 44 gang, we are in this Redeye. Y'all finna get this full reaction. I ain't finna do no faking, I ain't finna hold nothing, none of that. We got the whole 797. Whole 797. Nah, them Camaros over there. Man, y'all better cut that out. All y'all need to do is look at these nostrils on this thing. Y'all know y'all need to go somewhere. These Camaros over here. Quit playing.
Yeah. Hey, Hunter.
You wanna run it?
Let's do it.
Ha! Finna race this Camaro, man.
We are.
What you got in here?
Hey, hold on.
Like that.
Hey, what'd you say your horsepower was?
542.
542 in the Camaro over there. Finna run up against this. You see that? We got the whole 797 on there. We got the whole 797.
You got them needles on too, huh? This exhaust is pretty fucking loud.
Yeah, it sounds good. It all sound good.
You can bleep that out.
Nah, it sound like I don't. It sound good though. He got a cam in there.
Yeah,
I heard it.
Yeah.
I'm doing 30 roll. God dang. Man, say it. Well, y'all see, that was, we beat them. Y'all couldn't see it on camera, but man, that's crazy. You feel out of it. Yeah, I'm ready. Man, you feel out of it, man. God, dog, like pin you to the seat.
Yeah, we weren't doing anything. Oh, look, they all came out. Oh, no. They all came out, bro.
They didn't leave they left my car over there. Man, y'all left my.
I was finna come past here soon.
Y'all left my car over there by
you
itself.
want us to?
Ain't nobody gonna do nothing.
Huh?
I said, ain't nobody gonna do nothing to your car every light. That's goddamn lights and cameras.
You real, dude. Left my car over there by itself, man.
One stupid person to do anything up there.
Yeah.
So what? We doing it again or what? All right. You ready? Ready?
That Camaro fast though.
I let out of it, dude. I don't want to.
Oh no, you had that. You walked.
Yeah,
You start sliding. Yeah, you was
spinning.
spinning, and he kind of. But you went and got him though.
Yeah.
But that Camaro still got a little power on it. Man, crazy. Now that's crazy. Hey man. This red eye is crazy. It is a difference between, you can feel a difference between this and a Hellcat too, a regular Hellcat. Like it's a big difference. Man, that was fun. That was fun. But we're finna go over here. He gonna get y'all burnout too, man. So
Like, share, and subscribe.
yeah, make sure y'all
Redeye 33 production.
Make sure y'all subscribe to his channel, man. Make sure y'all do that. Hey, I'm telling you, he got some good video. Y'all to see how he recorded this. Look, he got. I ain't gonna show you that. Y'all gonna be stealing it. Y'all gonna be stealing his idea. But wait till you see the video. Subscribe to his channel. See the video, man. Yeah, we finna go back over there.
Yeah.
All right. I didn't drive it mainly because he got kind of had a little stuff to do, and it was something else he wanted to do, and I let. While we came over here, so he already did let Real drive it, and he took Real for a ride. And I didn't want to waste too much of his time. You know what I mean? That would have been selfish of me, really, to not, you know what I'm saying, care about what he trying to do and tell him let me drive it when I never drove a Redeye, but that's a cool dude, man. We're gonna link up with him. It will happen. Even if I don't get to drive that one, I'm gonna be driving my own if I don't drive that one. You hear me? But yeah, man. Ooh, boy, in sideways, but we finna go over and get y'all burnout though. So man, we got the Redeye finna race this Camaro right here. Yeah, they finna run one more time. Got the Redeye finna race this Camaro one more time, man. That mud sound that Camaro sound good. Hey, that mud move. That mud is not slow. He got some power. Camaro though, he came back and got him. Then he got off with him. Hey, easy.
Alright, look, I told you. Look, now come on. Yeah, that other Camaro had them big wide tires on there too.
Both of them
and
straight.
he had a intake and a tune. Trying to race.
Yeah, that mother for real.
Yeah.
That
Bro,
mother
I
for
was
real,
spinning
man.
so bad, bro.
Look, he running it again. Here he go again. That thing crazy, man. That thing still slide. That's quick. That's a lot of smoke for about 5 seconds.
Yeah. Just don't come back this way, bro.
Look at that. Look at that. That line still, that thing still going. Yo. Hey, man.
But man, we ain't gonna hold you up no.
Hey man, so that is a wrap for this video. Hey man, I'm over here doing my YouTube too. I'm finna end my video, so you know what I mean? That's a wrap for this video. Hey man, y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all like, share, comment, all that good stuff. As you see, I'm gonna keep bringing legendary footage to y'all, man. So y'all know how I end my videos though. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy, man. I'm out.